Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to customize notification preferences for specific Slack channels, your ultimate guide for 2025. Step 1 is to open up your Slack and navigate to the channel you want to customize. Now that we've done that, the reason we start here is that Slack allows you to adjust notification settings individually for each channel, giving you greater control over what alerts you receive. Once you're in the channel, you will need to click on the channel name at the top. A drop-down menu will appear. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This menu is your gateway to all the customization options for that channel. Next up, you'll need to select Change Notifications from this menu. This helps us because this is where you can specify your preferences for how Slack will alert you of any activity in that channel. In the window that pops up, you'll see a variety of options. The first one allows you to mute the channel entirely, meaning you won't receive any notifications. You can also choose to get notifications for all new messages or only when someone mentions you directly. Let me explain why this matters. By customizing these settings, you can prioritize your attention towards the channels that need it the most, reducing unnecessary distractions. Lastly, don't forget to click Done to save your settings. This is crucial because without this step, all the changes you made won't be applied. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Slack channel notifications. Remember, customizing your notifications is a great way to manage your workflow and focus on what's essential. Thank you for tuning in and keep exploring all that Slack has to offer. Until next time.